guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, healthy, and delicious recipe, zucchini quesadillas. They are so good, one of my personal favorites, and I've got a lot of favorites. But vegetarian, budget-friendly, fast to make, healthy. So this is all you need. I have 2 zucchini. I'm going to use half of this onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a tomato, some fresh basil leaves, Kalamata olives, olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, mozzarella cheese, and tortillas. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan turned on and get some of this stuff chopped up. So stay tuned, and remember that all my recipes are down below. So you definitely wanna make these for sure. Restaurant quality, guys. Okay, so to get these zucchini quesadillas made really quickly, I've got a nice deep frying pan warm, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I chopped up the onion. So you could use a white onion, yellow onion, red onion, whatever. It's about a cup worth or half of a medium-sized onion. Okay. Okay, so mix that in the oil and let it saute for a couple minutes. Okay, so once the onion has been sauteing for a minute or two, you can go ahead and add your garlic, and I'm crushing in 2 cloves. I feel like I put onions and garlic in almost every recipe I make. They're so flavorful, love them. Okay, so mix the garlic in and don't burn it. You just want it to go for, you know, a minute or so on its own. Okay, next I shredded the 2 zucchini in my food processor. If you don't have one, no big deal. Just use a cheese grater and shred it up. And it's only 2, but it looks like a lot of zucchini. So mix that in with the onions and the garlic really well. And we're just gonna let this zucchini cook for a couple of minutes. We don't want it too soft. Okay, so while that softens up, we can add our spices. All right, so a teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, and dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon, smelling good. Okay, while that softens for a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and chop the olives. So I'm using pitted Kalamata olives, which are easy because there's no pit you have to cut around. And you're gonna put about 15 or so of these. They add a nice flavor. Everything's gonna go in this bowl after. So I just slice them the long way in half. So mix your zucchini, you know, a time or two as it's cooking, and it's looking good to me. We're gonna use the same pan to cook the quesadillas, okay? So we'll wipe it out with some paper towels. All right, so this looks great. So we'll add that to the olives. Okay. And then I went ahead and chopped the whole tomato, okay, into pieces, smallish pieces, and fresh basil. Now, I've made this with dry basil and it's delicious either way, but my son has grown one heck of a garden and we have so much basil that I'm trying to put it in every recipe, and it's only gonna make it better. So about 10 basil leaves chopped. Okay, and this is the filling to the quesadillas. Just mix it really well. I'm telling you, these are so delicious, and as you can see, super speedy to make. I mean, that's the thing. My recipes are really, really tasty and designed to not keep you in the kitchen all night or for hours. Just, you know, fast dinner in a flash. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe the pan out. Okay, and then we're gonna put some olive oil, get these crispy, about a tablespoon again. Okay, swirl it around. All right, and then you're gonna take a tortilla. Take a tortilla and scoop your filling on half of it. Okay, as such. This is how I make them. You could do it where you cover the whole thing and then put another tortilla, but I like to do it like this. Okay, and then set it in the pan and get your cheese ready. The mozzarella cheese in these, yummy. You could use cheddar or probably any other cheese, but I like it with the mozz. Definitely makes it a little more Italian. All right, so sprinkle the cheese over it. Okay, and then you want to fold it. Okay, so fold it over. Press down a little bit. Okay, and there's room in the pan for two, so I'm gonna get another one ready. Okay, and we're gonna cook that until it's really nice and golden and crispy. And you wanna eat these right away. The zucchini gets juicy, so you don't want them to get soggy. You wanna cook them, you wanna eat them. And if you're not gonna use all the filling, see how the juice is coming off that zucchini? Then just save the filling. If you're gonna like make leftovers for the next day, you can do that too. Just save the filling in a container and you're good to go. And if you love meat and you just can't have a meal without meat, you can throw in some chicken or steak. That'd be good too. Okay, fold that over. All right, so we're gonna let these babies cook and then I'll show you the finished result. All right, these definitely look done. It's been like 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Nice and crispy. There we go. Ooh, yeah. My lunch. It is now lunchtime. I ran this morning. I haven't had anything to eat yet, so I'm excited. Yes, and remember what I said, eat them right away while they're crispy because they can get soggy if you let them sit. And they are delicious when they're nice and crispy. Very hot, but kind of see the yumminess. And I like to dip them in some salsa. That cheese is a little stringy. So yeah, get yourself some salsa or some queso and you are in for a treat. Okay, so there we go. really fast zucchini quesadillas. I hope you guys will make them and share your results with me. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see my recipes categorized, because I know sometimes it's hard on YouTube, you can go to food52.com and in the search box type Dash of Amy and you'll see all my recipes categorized in a really simple way to access them and print them or whatever. Save them to your devices. So yes, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Eat, drink, and be merry.